this channel so you guys can know how to cook and bake and all that stuff. So let's hop right in it. But first, we have a special surprise. Welcome my cousin, Levi Wicker! He's going to be helping me bake, cook, and all that stuff today. And so let's go. This time, we're going to put in our egg first. It'll make it easier. I cracked it already. Oh, that's not good. Oh, just, you're gonna throw it away.
Hold away.
Please. Okay. And then I'm just gonna mix that around a little bit. There's no shelving.
Good. Here's another simple way to bake cookies for Christmas. Peanut butter cookies. It's a simple recipe, and all you need is 1 egg, a cup of peanut butter, and a cup of sugar.
And then you're gonna pour in your peanut butter.
Then you pour in your peanut butter after you crack the egg in there.
Now,
Okay, now we put in the sugar.
go ahead. I'm gonna place that real quick. Take your spoon, man.
Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna start this off. Okay.
Okay, she'll start it off. It's gonna get.
One time when we made cookies, it made a big mess. So.
A really big mess. I'm gonna start mixing.
Okay, he's gonna start mixing, and we preheated it to 350 degrees Fahrenheit.
That's hot.
We preheated it to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and yeah, it should take like 2 more minutes, probably 2 more minutes at the max.
At max.
How you doing, Levi?
Great. It's just getting a little
Hard.
Yeah, hard. Let's say
That's
that.
good.
I'm gonna put some oil on your hands first before you start rolling them into little balls like we are.
You're so oily.
I'm
Okay.
not sure what that oil has in it.
Thanks, Levi. I'm gonna pop that one and then pop that one.
If you make too much, it's gonna be a little hard to
Mold it.
mold it into the peanut butter cookies.
Also, when you're doing this step, right after, you really want to wash your hands like really good.
Yes, like really good. Because if you don't and you touch something on your face, like your eyes or your mouth, that could really hurt.
Yeah. It can give you infections.
Yes, it can give you infections.
Infections are not fun.
Yeah, they're not fun. I've
had one before.
Okay, so guys, you would want to make like a plus sign or a crisscross. Because if you make an X, it's just going to look weird.
And don't press down too hard.
Yeah, if you press down too hard, it's going to be a little flatter than you want it to be.
And it'll just like mess the whole thing up.
Yeah, mostly.
What'd you guys preheat the oven to?
350 degrees.
I already told them that.
Ow.
Sorry.
Finger. That
Perfect.
should be all the cookies. Now we put them in the oven that we preheated to 350 degrees. Isn't that right, Lyse?
Yep.
Don't burn your hands, so always put oven mitts on before you do this. And have parental help.
Or parental permission.
Or parental vision.
Permission.
Parental vision, too.
Yes.
And you also want their permission.
Okay. Now you put it on timer. And you're going to put these on 10 minutes.
10 minutes should be good.
1, 0, start. And now we wait. Take this time to like and subscribe. Now we are going to eat them, but first I'm going to tell you that we put them in for 10 minutes. And that was enough, then we let them cool. So
You have
grab
to
a
give
cookie.
them about
Whoa.
2 minutes or so.
They're very
Gooey.
soft and gooey, yes.
And hot.
Delicious.